What's your name, bud? Alright, keep your arms at your sides, alright? Guys, go threes.
Here's your hand, bud. Where'd that come from?
Jesus. 16, Detective Nevin just showed up. He's in custody.
10-4, suspect in custody.
They think he might have a pistol in his waistband.
What's that?
Might have a pistol in his waistband.
You do?
1660 will still need a car here. Yeah.
Airsoft. Is that it?
1660. Did you get a call from Huntington here on Pearl?
That's a negative.
Okay.
Oh, my lawyer. You got it. Yeah, nothing else. Change the property.
And 1660 will take IBO here as well. I'm going to check here just to...
Yep.
10-4, I'll start IBO that way.
I'll wait till we get him secured.
That's 1977.
Yep. This bank as I'm walking by.
You just stopped at bank robbery as you walked by? That's awesome. Well done. I think they're probably going to work for this one. Just throwing it out there.
You can't... We almost bumped into each other, didn't we?
Seriously?
Wow.
Was it even a call?
No. I came... Well, wait to talk.
Yeah.
We're going to need to get some interviews from the bank, but...
Okay. If I want a picture with the...
Yeah. Let's just have him have a seat in that. Can you get a big envelope?
Yeah.
We'll start. Yeah.
Bad luck. Okay, picture real quick where you have a seat. Here you go with your...
Oh, let's just have him have a seat and we'll... We can leave that stuff on and we'll have IBO take pictures.
You can have David on there.
Huh?
You can have
Yeah,
David
right. Throw some... Actually, I'm going to do my... soft.